and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy paper turkey squishy. No tape. So first, what you're going to need is some paper. Color pencils are optional, but something to color with if you want. A pair of scissors, a glue stick, or you can use tape. And if you want, you can use a ruler. And a Sharpie, that's optional too. And a pencil to draw with. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to fold it like in half. Like this. After you've folded it in half, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a square with this ruler. You can make it as big as you want. That's how big the squishy is going to be. Okay, I'm done drawing my square. This is how it looks. And when you're done drawing your square, what you can do is you can draw a turkey in the middle. But you want to make some room to say Happy Thanksgiving, but that's optional. You can draw whatever you want. It doesn't have to be a Thanksgiving card, but I'm going to draw a turkey, and then under the turkey I'm going to draw Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, I'm done drawing my turkey. This is how it looks. And after that, I'm going to write Happy Thanksgiving in big letters right here. Okay, I'm done writing Happy Thanksgiving. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw some leaves all around it, decorating it. This is totally optional. Okay, I'm done drawing the leaves. This is how it looks. And now, if you want, you can use like a permanent marker or pen or something to outline and color it. So yeah. Okay, I'm done coloring it. Background's white, but that's fine. You can color your background any color you want. That's optional. Okay, now I'm going to cut mine out. Okay, I'm done cutting this out. Okay, so now I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue all the sides except one side because I'm going to need to stuff it. Okay, I'm done with that. I'm just going to press down. And I almost forgot to mention, you can stuff it with stuffing, whatever you want. I have a Super One bag. It's really squishy. It works pretty good. If it has any holes, then just re-glue it. Re-glue the holes. I'm gonna stuff it. This is probably too much stuffing, so I'm gonna cut it like maybe a little more than half. Okay, I think I use this. This might be still a little too much, so I'm gonna put into a smaller piece. Okay, we'll see how much I use. If you need help with corners or something, you can use like a pencil, something pointy to help with those. Okay, looks like I have a little hole here, so I'm going to just glue that shut real quick. Alright, now I took care of that hole. I'm just going to glue the top shut. And yeah, I'm done. This is how it looks. So you can give it to someone as like a thick card. Or you can just use it as squishy. And here it is. Just a cute little easy squishy without tape. Thanks for watching. Bye!